Hello students, today we are going to learn kinds or types of sentences. There are many kinds of sentences, but in this class we'll study only 4 types of sentences. But firstly, we need to understand what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence must have a subject and a word. So, a sentence is a group of words which must have a subject and a verb. Subject is a person or a doer of we are talking about. For example, if we say Rima goes to school, in this sentence we are talking about Rima. So, subject is Rima. Whereas verb is an action word or which helps in completing a sentence. Example, same like Rima goes to school. So she is going. So it is a verb. Goes is a verb. Let's see an example of sentence. Example 1. I ate an apple. Here we are talking about ourselves. So I is a subject. Ate is a verb. So it satisfies the meaning of sentence. It is a group of word. It has a subject and a verb. Let's see another example. Ravi school friends. It does not satisfy the meaning of sentence as it is a group of word but verb is not there. So a sentence is a group of word which makes a sense. Even Ravi school friends doesn't make any sense, so it is not a sentence. Let's understand the types of sentences which you are going to study in this class. 4 sentences: assertive, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. Firstly, we'll learn about assertive sentences. An assertive sentence is a sentence that states a fact. Example, the train is late today. Assertive sentence provides you information and a fact. It must be and with a full stop. Example, sun rises in the east. Sun always rises in the east. Sun never changes its position when it rises, so it is a fact. No one can change it. This is known as assertive sentences. Second is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives you a command. So imperative sentences give you instructions like your parents or teachers give. Whenever you make any mistake, your teacher sends you out of the class. She says, get out. So it is an imperative sentence. Or she says, I want pin drop silence. This is also an example of imperative sentence. Or your parents say, respect your elders, etc. So these are imperative sentences. Third, interrogative. An interrogative asks a question. Whenever you see question mark at the last of sentence, that is interrogative sentences. For example, where is your school? What is your name? Do you know French? These all are examples of interrogative sentences. Fourth, exclamatory sentences. Sentences that expresses sudden and strong feelings are known as exclamatory. Whenever you see an exclamatory mark at the last of the sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. It shows a strong feeling. For example, as you can see here, what a shame. There is an exclamation mark. So it is an exclamatory sentence. More examples. How big your school is? Wow, such a great. Wow, how beautiful this flower is. Kindly note that assertive and imperative sentences ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentences ends with a question mark, whereas exclamatory sentences ends with an exclamatory mark. Assertive sentences provide you information. Imperative sentences gives you an instruction. Interrogative sentences ask for an information, whereas exclamatory sentence is used to express our feelings. Here the kinds of sentences get over.